This all started with a meme coin that promised to revolutionize the Solana community. The project, pitched on social media with memes and promises, gained traction almost overnight. But little did investors know, the mastermind behind this too-good-to-be-true coin was a 12-year-old. Hype was created through social media using memes and FOMO tactics. The rug pull happened. In a single transaction, all the liquidity was drained, leaving holders with nothing but worthless tokens. So how did they pull this off? It turns out they used some simple tactics that play on basic human psychology. Here are the red flags you should avoid. Anonymous developers. Always verify who is behind a project. Unrealistic promises. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers increasingly exploit human psychology to deceive. Do your own research to avoid getting duped in crypto space. Young individuals are also entering the world of digital scams. Scammers are developing more creative tactics to steal funds. The episode illustrates the pressing issue of security in cryptocurrency. Always verify project details and background for safety. DYOR, do your own research, is emphasized as a critical step. Invest smartly by staying informed about the latest scams. Please subscribe for more update.